Life cycle of Wuchereria branchiofti. Male and female is highly coiled and copulated in the lymphatic vessel, and female is releasing the sheeted microfilarial larva, which shows the nocturnal periodicity. That means it is present in deeper blood vessel. Night 10 p.m. to morning 4 a.m. it is coming to the peripheral blood vessel. E is called the nocturnal periodicity. And why it is coming is to enter into the mosquito. So if mosquito is sucked, it is enter into the gut of mosquito. If mosquito is not sucked, within 70 days these sheeted microfilarial larvae is die. And once it is enter into the mosquito reaching to the gut, that sheet will be removed. We are calling it is a exsheeted microfilarial larva, which is released into the hemocoel body cavity, and from that body cavity it is enter into the thoracic muscle. There it is converted into sausage shaped larva or first stage larva. Next, first molting second stage larva, second molting third stage larva. It is the infective stage. It is reaching to the labium of mosquito. When mosquito is bited, it is enter into the bloodstream of the man and reaching the lymphatic vessel. There it is undergoing the third molting fourth stage, fourth molting Engervans. Here fourth molting Engervans formation is takes place 5 to 18 months. How many days? How many months? It is takes 5 to 18 months. This is the brief discussion about the Wuchereria branchiofti. So they are coiled and copulated, released into the female releasing sheeted microfilarial larva. It shows the nocturnal periodicity and entry into the mosquito when it is bite the infected person. If not entered within 70 days, it is undergo death. And reach it to the gut of mosquito. Later the sheet is removed. Now we are calling it is a egg-sheeted microfilarial larva. It is released into the hemocoel body cavity. From that it reaches to the thoracic muscle. There it is becoming sausage larva. First molting second stage, second molting third stage, infective stage, reaching to the lip of mosquito. When mosquito is bited, it again reaches to the lymphatic vessels, undergoing the third and fourth molting and producing the Engervans. This is the Wuchereria branchiofti. And here infective stage is the third stage, pathogenic stage is the microfilarial larva. And here come to the pathogenesis. Filarial fever is the first stage, in which fever, headache, mental depression is observed. Next stage is lymphangitis. Lymph vessels are inflamed. Angina means vessels. Lymphangitis. And third stage adenoids, lymphadenitis. Lymph glands are swelled, lymphadenitis. Lymph vessels and glands both are infected, lymphedema. And fibroblast cells are increases, dead tissue is accumulated. Fibroblastic tissue is accumulated. In this stage, skin is becoming rough due to damaging of sweat glands. And last stage is the elephantiasis. What is the last stage? Elephantiasis is the last stage. So in which the leg completely swelled and looks like a elephant leg. So this is the life cycle and pathogenesis of Wuchereria branchiofti. And how to overcome this? Controlling the mosquito. DDT BHC is spraying, and Gambusia fish will be grown in ponds. Articaria mosquito repellent plants will be grown, and mosquito repellents mesh, all those will be used to controlling the mosquito. Surrounding the household, no storage of water is present. If any water is reserved, it is giving shelter to the mosquito to lay the eggs and development of larvae, which increase the population of mosquito. So we should not reserve any water surrounding to the household. Is the preventive methods, prophylactic methods of these filaria as well as malaria also, because both will be spreaded with the mosquitoes only.